name is Travis, and I'm a team member here at the Wholey Fish Market. And today we are going to do mussels steamed in white wine with a little bit of compound butter and fresh lemon. So mussels are a great dish. They're sold in 2-pound bags, and they serve at least 2 to 3 people, and they're inexpensive. It's important when you bring the mussels home, you want to take them out of the bag and you want to put them in a bowl and rinse them with some fresh water. Things to look for: if they're open, you should be able to give it a tap or just kind of wake it up, and if it closes, it's good. If not, like this guy didn't close, you want to discard any of the mussels that aren't closed. These all look good, but I saw that one in the batch that didn't look good. Here's another one here. I'm going to give it a little tap. See, it didn't wake up, it didn't close. So that's a dead mussel. You don't want to cook that. When they go into the pot, they should be closed nice and tight, just like that. And then when they're done, they open up. They should also smell like the ocean. See, these are fresh. You can tell. When you buy your mussels at Wholey's, they're always going to be fresh. They smell just like the ocean. They don't have a strong, any kind of smell of ammonia. And that's what you want to look for before you start to cook these mussels. So this is our compound butter. We make it in-house. It's Amish butter blended with fresh garlic, shallots, and lemon juice. And we make it here, and then we mold it and we sell it in the store, and it is fantastic. So we're getting this nice and high. See that? It's melting. And that took about a minute. I'm gonna add some chopped shallots just to enhance it. I'm just gonna shake that around, get it hot, so you can really smell those shallots and that fresh aroma. They'll start to get a little translucent. So once this is all simmering and it looks fine, you can see the shallots are starting to clear up. You're gonna take about 2 cups of white wine, just an expensive white wine, nothing fancy to cook with. You're gonna deglaze the pan, just kind of tilt the pan up like that. You're gonna pour your wine in like that. It gets all the goodness loosened up on the bottom, and then I'm gonna add about another cup of that. This is so simple and it tastes so good. It's like, I'm gonna put a cover on this, and you wanna bring the wine up to a boil, and then we'll throw in our fresh mussels. All right, we got our wine up to a nice boil, about medium-high heat. And now we are just gonna gently toss in our fresh mussels down at Wholey's. Give it a little shake, and then we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna bring this up to another boil. And once it's up to a boil, these will start to open up. It should take about 4 minutes. So you see the mussels have popped open. That was about 4 minutes. I shook it. I covered it in the beginning just to bring the liquid back up to a boil, and then at the final stage I uncovered it and I shook it a couple times. They're open, really nice. At this point I'm gonna add a little more compound butter just to enrich the broth, because that is gonna be probably the best part of it, soaking up the nice broth with the crusty bread. I'm gonna cut the heat off, and then I'm just gonna throw a little bit of fresh flat parsley in there just to add a fresh touch. Well folks, there you have it. There's the finished product. And I put it in a nice serving bowl, and 2 pounds of mussels will serve, I'd say, 3 people. Served with a nice crusty baguette bread. We sell bread, works fantastic. You can get it at the store here. Everything you see here can be found at the Wholey Fish Market. Always fresh. This is awesome, isn't it?